I need some help installing and wiring a new thermostat to my new HVAC heat pump.
What's the brand and model of your thermostat? How old is it?
Honeywell RTH 2300/RTH 221. 4 months old. I just finished installing a new heat pump consisting of air handler and condenser.
How long has this been going on with your Honeywell thermostat? What have you tried so far?
I just finished installing all the new equipment today. The Honeywell has been in the box waiting on this new system. Never been installed.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
My new system that I installed is a Mr. Cool Universal 2/3 ton heat pump. Not a mini split, conventional heat pump type.
Welcome to Just Answer, my name is Billy. Thank you for using Just Answer. I'm sorry you are having problems with your equipment. I will do my best to help you get this resolved. If I happen to be helping another or step away during our communication, please know I will follow up as soon as I am back available/online. You will likely receive a pop-up for phone call offer. I am not currently set up for phone calls. But we do have experts that are. If you would like a phone call, I can opt out to enable another expert to assist you. I am looking at your question and will respond shortly. Please be patient as I may have to pull manuals, diagrams or drawings.
I don't need a phone call.
Hello, a few questions first. What color wires do you have from the air handler to thermostat? Does the air handler have electric backup strip or just the heat pump itself outside?
I just finished installing a Mr. Cool Universal 2/3 ton heat pump. It's a conventional system, replacing my original Carrier system from 1984. I ran new wire from the thermostat to the air handler, and this is also a new thermostat. I do not have the heat strips, oh heat.
Okay, what colors are in the cable?
It's a 18/7 spool of thermostat cable. Red, yellow, green, white, brown, blue and orange. File attached, 5V6 MQVG. That is the wiring diagram for the air handler.
Red to RC/RH leave jumper in place, yellow to Y, green to G, white to W, orange to O, brown, blue are not used in this thermostat since you do not have O heat. You also need to trim a short wire and connect Y to W. This thermostat does not use a C wire.
That is the diagram for my thermostat. Okay, my air handler doesn't have an O.
Also, your yellow and orange are going to the air handler but not hooking direct to air handler. They wire nut to wires going to outdoor unit. So Y leapfrogs to Y wire going to outdoor unit and also the O.
Would the O connection be replaced on my system with the B connector? I do not have an O. On the air handler or the outdoor unit? Would the O connection be replaced on my system with the B connector? I do not have an O on the outdoor unit.
In this case, that would be correct. Mr. Cool is different than 95% of all heat pumps. Usually it is a O terminal to energize the reverse valve in Cool. Yours apparently energizes in B. So instead of orange on B. Use blue at both ends and use B in thermostat. Leave orange unhooked as well as the brown.
This is an actual picture of my indoor unit wiring, the outdoor is exactly the same. Okay, so now is the time that you shake your head and say that some people shouldn't do certain things, but let me tell you what I did.
Okay, then the B is used.
It appears according to the Mr. Cool installation diagrams that my communication wire, as they call it, runs from the air handler to the outside unit. And it appears to say that you just hook up both units wire for wire. In other words, inside it has a B, W1, R, C and G. It appears to say that you hook those up directly to the same exact terminals on the outdoor unit. Does that make sense and appear to be correct to you?
Yes. I will type something a bit more clear, just a moment.
Okay. I'm embarrassed. I install home theater systems and more for a living, but I can't wire a thermostat. I'm embarrassed. I install home theater systems and more for a living, but I can't wire a thermostat.
Thermostat R to air handler or W to WB to BG to GY to Y outdoor unit to air handler mimic the same terminals. Difference is no C to thermostat. This thermostat runs on batteries. If you had a different thermostat, you may have to have a C. Also, do not forget the jumper in thermostat Y to W. Then on back of this thermostat is heat pump switch that must be set also.
Okay. I'll give it a shot tomorrow. What's the worst that can happen? Ha ha ha. I'm looking at the thermostat manual, and does show to install a jumper from E to W, but you're the expert obviously, I'll do it. Do I leave the jumper that's already there on the thermostat that's going from R to RC?
The jumper stays that connects the R's. The jumper is added for Y to W.
Got it. I appreciate your knowledge.
Good luck. If any issue, let me know, Billy.
That's all I needed to try and finish up. Hope you have a great night. Good night from Arkansas. Hey Billy, you helped me wire the thermostat to my Mr. Cool universal system over the weekend. Everything worked great. I really appreciate your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.